Hello madlang people, now this time I'm gonna share to you kung paano ko niluluto yung munggo. Ito yung munggo, how I prepare this and how I cook this. Yung munggo naman ay natin muna, pinakuluan hanggang lumambot yung mga butil niya, and then prepared the necessary ingredients para maging yung mga niya panakot sa amin, para maging malasa at maging aromatic naman yung kulay natin. So ganyan, inuna ko munang inisagisa yung mga ganyan, yung sibuyas, kamatis, lason na ginger at iba pang sangkap to soften and to yung mo yung kaluluwa, yung aroma niya. Once it is already then it's done, we have to put in the pork or the meat, kung ano man, meat man o isda man ang gagamitin mo. So you have to, then yung nilaga mo ng munggo saka mo na ilagay dyan. You have to add the nilagang munggo and then pour to it a cocoa milk o gata. So I have, since I have the fresh milk, so I have fresh gata, so I have to use yung nasa pakete na I buy from the grocery. It's available in the grocery. So ayan, yan na yung munggo natin. Laksiyami na, and then add some of it kung hindi pa masyado. Kung gusto nyong masabaw, you have to add more of the cocoa milk. Okay, so yung gata naman, ayan, ready na, almost done. Ayan na siya. Kumain na yung padre de pamilya namin. So according to him, it's delicious. So enough na para maging masaya naman tayong mga kusinera, no? Diba? Kung nagugustuhan nila yung luto natin, diba? Parang gusto na rin magluto again.